Welcome back. Today we're going to answer another question that we frequently get from clients is, can a private investigator be used in court? And I guess the short answer is yes, but Dad, maybe give some sense to the viewers of how a private investigator could be used in court, whether that's in a deposition, a hearing, trial, or administrative proceeding, and some things that they need to consider before engaging with an investigator that could be used in those kind of capacities.
Well, there's quite a few cases where we're either deposed or we testify in court on different types of cases, whether they be family law cases, anti-counterfeiting cases, or whatever. There's a lot of different cases where testimony is needed, and it's quite important to use a licensed investigator for that. One of the main comments we get from attorneys is, I could do this myself, but I don't want to be my own witness. So they want to use us as a licensed private investigator and more or less an expert in our field to do that, and then we're able to go into court and be able to testify. And they will often ask your experience level, how long you've been doing it, your license number, and all those things that could be covered in your court testimony.
Yeah, it's interesting that people ask that question quite a bit, because sometimes people don't understand that the work product that we do may or may not end up in court, but you don't know at the inception of the case where it's going to end up. So it'd be really important to ask of your investigator that you're working with on the front end, are they licensed to your experience level, so that you make sure that they do have credibility before they obtain the evidence and information you need to win your case and end up in court and have a credibility problem. If you have any further questions on this topic or others, please leave them in the comments below, and we look forward to connecting with you. Thanks.